Hello, my name is Vrenken and I'm one of the 13 ESRs within the InPharma network, an EU-funded network of academic, regulatory and pharma industry partners. InPharma aims to advance strategies that replace animal experiments in the development of orally taken drugs, like tablets and capsules, to support the EU's resolve to reduce the use of animals in drug research due to ethical concerns and increasing developmental costs. Without sacrificing the safety and quality of the drug products developed, I will conduct my research at Bayer in Germany and the National and Kapodistrian University of Athens. Upon ingestion of a tablet, the drug will travel down the esophagus to the stomach and from there to the intestines where it can dissolve and be absorbed. For a drug to be available for absorption, it must be dissolved in the gastrointestinal tract. Unfortunately, up to 70% of drugs in development are poorly soluble, which can lead to insufficient amount of the drug reaching the blood circulation and high variability in drug exposure between patients due to differences in, for example, intestinal pH in the case of ionizable drugs, or even within the same patients depending on when they had their last meal, for example. Ideally, we want to predict the drug exposure without using animal and clinical in human studies. But how will we replace animal experimentations? Experimental in vitro tools that simulate the dissolution process in the human stomach and intestines will be developed, as these are the most important organs for the absorption of drugs. The output of these tools is then used to inform computer models that consider the incredible amount of knowledge we have about the human physiology, the specific molecule under investigation, and the behavior of the drug during the lab experiments. The goal of my project is to create models that translate the animal-free experiments to the drug exposure in humans and predict the consequences of formulation changes like formulating a salt or other changes that enhance drug dissolution, and the effect of the timing and type of food on the drug absorption. Thank you for watching, and also take a look at the videos of my fellow ESRs where they introduce their specific projects. For any questions, send me an email or reach out to me via LinkedIn.